to my channel. I just did touch up my roots by myself. As you can see, it's so natural and doesn't look like I did it by myself. You know, the root touch-up is the most annoying thing after coloring your hair. I usually color my hair and also touch up my roots by myself. And there are so many videos about hair on YouTube, but not about roots touch-up. So today I'm gonna show you how I do touch up my roots. The most important thing about touch-up color is how to match the root with the rest of your hair perfectly. And I failed a lot of times, so I can show you my tips I learned from my failures. Okay, let's do touch-up ourselves without hair salon.
As you can see, I have pretty dark roots. I didn't wash my hair for 2 days. I didn't wait for a root touch-up, but you know, I'm trying dry shampoo these days. Anyway, I'm going to use L'Oreal FERIA Cool Medium Brown color, which I use for the rest of my hair. It's like ash light brown color. I really like it, so I used up 3 bottles already. If you colored hair by yourself, you can use the same product you used. And if you got it from hair salon, you can use a similar color product. But it's a little bit different, I'll tell you later. Also, I recommend you to use just a normal type of cream products, not bubble or pudding products. You can get ready the products just the way they say in their direction. Just mix and prepare the products you have. After preparing all the products, it's a really important step that you comb your hair first. We are going to make sections while we touch up our roots, and if you don't brush your hair first, it gets tangled and make it very hard to do. Next is my tip I learned from my experiences. I put my hair up. I'm going to color my root from the back to front. There are some parts that are easy to color and hard to color. So if you get root touch-up from hair salon, they color it with their own method. But since we are doing it by ourselves and we cannot spread the product as fast as they do, also it's too difficult. So what I do is I start from the least visible parts, which is behind your neck at the base of your head. If you usually tie your hair back, then you can start from the middle and go down and up. Okay, now I'm applying the products on my roots in the back and just rub and spread it. We cannot check the details since we can't see it, so I just put a lot of products. After that, section out the bottom 2 inches, which is 6 centimeters. And then put the product on both sides, up and down of the line. And then spread it again and keep repeating it. I have 2 inches root, which is pretty long, and when you go to hair salon with this long roots, they color the roots 1 centimeter away from your scalp first. And after a few minutes, color the root close to the scalp. However, again, since we are doing it at home alone, it's too difficult and complicated to do that. Also, I tried that way and it was hard to see the difference between 2 ways, so I just color all at once. You can keep doing it until you arrive at your eyebrow area, and now is the time we should be a little bit more careful when we do the top part of hair because it's the most visible part. From the middle, we are going to part the hair vertically and apply the product on both sides of the line, left and right, just the same. If one part is puffy like this, that means you did well. Now I'm going to do the rest of my hair in the same way. It's much easier than back parts because you can see it through the mirror. It's almost done now. Now I put some of product on my fingers and apply around my hairlines carefully. And don't forget in front of your ears and behind your ears. Finally, it's the last step. It's my tip to remove missed spots. Put some product on your fingers again and massage your scalp like when you shampoo. Since we are doing it alone, there can be some spots we missed, and this step will cover them.
Yeah?
The chicken wings are ready whenever you're ready, baby.
Oh, chicken wing!
You look like Kerrigan.
What?
Do you know who's Kerrigan?
No.
The StarCraft 2 Zerg Queen.
Is it compliment?
Oh. Just, yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna eat the chicken wings Erin made, and then after 20 minutes come back and then wash my hair.
Great, let's do it.
Chicken wings!
We'll go!
Ta-da! The root matches the rest of my hair perfectly. So on the paper which was in the box, you can see how to do touch-up color. They say after touch-up roots, you have to apply to rest of your hair, so bring color through to ends of hair. But I didn't do that because I did touch-up roots many times. But it was almost same when I did apply to rest of my hair and when I didn't, so I don't do it. And it damaged my hair, so yeah, I don't do it. But if you are using a different product with the product you did rest of your hair, or you color the rest of your hair at hair salon, then you'd better to do that. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can apply the product all over your hair, so make it all same color. Cause even if you buy really similar color, it's still a little different. So today I showed you how I do touch up my roots. I hope you guys can touch up at home with my video. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!